Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Nginx and Let's Encrypt for multiple domains on VPS, full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your VPS through SSH. Use the command SSH user at your _server_IP. Update your package list by running sudo apt update. Install Nginx with the command sudo apt install Nginx. Ensure Nginx is running by using sudo system+start Nginx. Check the status with sudo system+status Nginx. Next, install certbot for Let's Encrypt. Run sudo apt install certbot python 3 certbot Nginx. Once installed, create a new configuration for your first domain. Navigate to the Nginx directory using cd/etc/nginx/sites available. Create a new file with the command sudo nano your_domain.conf. Add the server block configuration for your domain. Include the following lines, replacing your _domain and your _IP appropriately. Server, listen 80, server _name your _domain www.your_domain, location /root/var/www/your_domain, index.html index.htm, save and exit. Now, create the root directory for your domain. Use the command sudo dir/var/www/your_domain. Set appropriate permissions with sudo chown or $usr/var/www/your_domain. Create a sample index file using nano/var/www/your_domain/index.html. Add some content, then save and exit. Next, enable the new site configuration. Run sudo lns/etc/nginx/sites available /your_domain.conf/etc/nginx/sites enabled/. Test the Nginx configuration with sudo nginxt. Restart Nginx to apply changes, sudo system+restart Nginx. Now, request a Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. Execute the command sudo certbot nginx d your_domain www.your_domain. Follow the prompts to configure your SSL settings. Once done, verify the SSL installation. Visit https://your_domain in your browser. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.